Okay. Next. We have ourselves a MacBook screen install. Alright, let's get this thing apart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we just lift. Come on. We lift. Then we slide. Come on, we slide. Lift and slide. Okay, I need something plastic now.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hurt. Why do you do this? I do enjoy using Macs and repairing Macs. But sometimes I swear. So, we're going to try and do this one a little bit blind here. I don't think... any of this other stuff needs to come out for this. I just need to disconnect cables.
You poor child.
We will see. 1, 2. One. 2. Tell me something. You bought a laptop 4 years ago and your laptop is from Germany and it's your refurbished laptop. I use it only for 5 or 6 times. Only because I use my desktop use. You change the SSD 1 month, maybe more. You put an AC/DC adapter to charge the battery. I was on the screen, the battery is low, my laptop is closed. How often do you charge it? Because batteries don't last forever if you don't use them. They discharge and then you got to charge them back up.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel.
Use our spudger to lift that, to lift that, to lift that. Then I think these guys have to come off. Yeah, one goes to there. Well, that's not good. That's also not the right size. Is it this one? That one. Just gotta make sure we're using the right bit. Yeah, so that's why. That's why you're seeing that message. So this needs to come off. Charge it up fully and then see what happens. Because batteries just sitting in a closet don't stay charged. They slowly discharge. Especially when it's connected to an electronics device. Why you no come off? Is this the one that's held down with adhesive? I think it is. I think I'm slowly remembering this from the last one of these that I did. Just have to loosen the adhesive a little bit and then it will come up. And just do the same on both sides. Okay. Thank you for that information. Bradenton PC Repair, this is Chris. How can I help you? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, I don't work on printers. No, I don't work, like I said, I don't work on printers. Yep. Bye. Alright, let's get back to this thing. Just keep wiggling stuff underneath here. We got to free up adhesive to get this off of here so that we can just lift this. This is our antenna array. And then, come on. What's overpriced tree huggy? I have a MacBook Pro that I think the experience of using that MacBook Pro, like generally, is better than using any of the Windows laptops I've used in quite a while. I like my iPad. It's better than any Android tablet or Windows tablet I've ever used. But when it comes to like full-on desktop performance, I would not touch a Mac with a 10-foot pole. Alright, now we get these screws out of here for the hinges. Not on a laptop, Emily, especially for work. Especially the work that I do. For just like data entry, doesn't matter. But for like development and stuff, and for the video editing I do, the Mac has been so much better than the PC. Alright, out with the old. In with the new. Why would they do this? least they sent me the right color. Last couple times I've ordered from this company, they sent me the wrong color. Oh, come on. There we go. Yes. But I don't game on... I don't game on a laptop, Emily. You do. Do I sell laptops? Yes, I sell refurbished laptops. But they're like, you buy them in person. So you'd have to walk into my office to purchase it. Okay. As I said, you'd have to walk into my office to purchase it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Bradenton PC Repair.com. There you go. See, some people do. I do not. I do all of my gaming on a desktop and on cheap, under $100 freaking handheld devices for some reason. So I gotta do a video on. Alright. I haven't gamed on a laptop in a long time. There was a point where I did. I did a bunch of gaming on a laptop. You coming in here, buddy? I guess you are. Hello. Be up there in a minute. Yeah, I had an old strangely enough, I had a Sony laptop that had a 970 in it. Loved that thing. All right, so which tip is this one? That one. All right. I think my battery is about to run out on my lav. So I'll have to switch back over here. Come on. Why are you fighting with me? There we go. What do you mean, who wants to give it for free? I don't understand your question. Alright, now we gotta put the plate over that, which is this guy. To hold that in place. And this should be this one, I believe. Let's find out. Yep. Yeah, and if you follow the instructions and you live in the United States, you can win it. Yep, you can't win it then. Alright, that's in there. That's in there. Let's get this plugged in. Okay, Wi-Fi hooked back up. I have no idea what the model on that laptop is. It's an older one. This guy. Okay. Two. Yeah, the specs for it are there. I just don't know which one it is. It's not a gaming laptop. It's just a basic laptop. All right. Let's turn this thing on. See how it do. That's right. This has no like internal cooling on it. And the battery might be dead. Let's find out. Yeah, battery was dead. Like, very dead. And there we go. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/Bradenton PC Repair. If you want to learn more about my services, you can check out BradentonPCRepair.com. And if you have questions when I'm not streaming, you can get a link to our Discord down in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.